back to Excel. Excel is still #1 BI tool. I know this is a controversial statement. Of course, it's not a proper BI tool. It's a productivity tool. It started as a productivity tool, a spreadsheet tool, but of course, Microsoft added pivot tables and all the new features. If you take a look at the new features that are being added to Excel, it goes slightly into this BI direction. It's not a analytical database or anything of that sort, but like the modern Excel is also used as a BI tool vastly all around the world in many scenarios. So again, a couple of facts here. 120 plus million monthly active users of Excel. 54% of businesses use Microsoft Excel today. Excel is here to stay. Excel is not going anywhere. Although we have better tools, better BI platforms, of course, that can handle lots of data and all that we need in BI. The Microsoft Office is being cloud first now. So Microsoft, as a strategy, will ship new features to Excel Online and PowerPoint Online first before they are deployed to the desktop. So we are all of us are moving into the cloud, including the Office. Big investments in Power BI and Excel integration, productivity tools, BI tools. They are being, they are merging, they are being integrated more and more, not just in Microsoft world. It's a global trend. All right, so that's all great with Excel and everything, but there's this one problem. And the problem is that the reports, the analysis that we see today in Excel still look like this. For the most part, we were also focused on Power BI and, governed BI dashboards and so on in professional tools. And we just keep, we just keep our eyes closed in our companies. We don't really look at what people are doing, and people are still copy and pasting Excel files, creating those crazy big tables, and they are being used in production for meetings, for monthly, reviews, in presentations, and so on and so on. And it's a messy situation that every company basically has still today, and it's not being solved. All right, so where are those actionable insights? Where is the prescriptive analytics? It is missing in Excel. Okay. And if you now imagine a meeting like we have today, a Teams meeting with lots of people, starts with a nice opening slide, and then people start to discuss their business. Of course, first they will look at the data, and they will look at an Excel report like that or a PowerPoint presentation like that. And we are all just wasting our time. Basically, these people on the meetings, of course, they need actionable insights today. I mean, you can have 10 people or 20 people, and if the meeting is half an hour or an hour, that's 2 hours, maybe 20 hours of people's work. And if you just waste it with unreadable, not legible reports and presentations, analyses that are not actionable, that people don't understand in a couple of seconds, you're just wasting your time and other people's time. And you're missing the opportunity for your company to win on analytics, right? Which is much, much more important.